na to, yung second session po, second po ba? Third session po nung atin pong, third na po. Okay, natawag ko po si Pastor Butch para po pang lahat. Ay, mamaya po, diretso po ulit na, to be continue po ulit.
Let us be seated for a while. I will show you a video clip, short video clip of the G7 that happened in Manila. Yung ating global gathering, if you have not watched it in the internet. So I brought a copy. So panoorin po natin before I will share the word again.
Yes, YouTube. Ang gulo dito kanina. Hindi.
Basta pinat mo yun na yan.
Yung global gathering na ginawa sa Philippines, ito po yung video clip na ginawa ni Sister Manju para makita natin yung the first global gathering na ginawa ng World International. Playable? Nako. Has encountered the problem.